Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm a team member here at TraceyBryantStuckey.com. And today I'm going to show you how you can cut and compress your video with a free resource tool here in YouTube. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to YouTube.com and you're going to sign in. If you do not have a YouTube account, it's no worries. You need to create a Gmail account and then you will use that to sign into YouTube. So once you're at the YouTube sign-in page, you're going to hit sign in and you're going to select your Google account. You're going to hit next. And then at the top of the page, you're going to hit your icon and select view your channel. So once you load on this screen, you're going to hit create and upload video. Then you're going to hit select files. And then you're going to select the video that you're wanting to upload. This is where you're going to put your title of your video here. And you're going to scroll down and you are going to select no, this is not made for kids. You're going to hit next. Everything on this slide will stay the same. Everything on this slide will stay the same. And then this slide is very important. You're going to hit unlisted. You want to make sure that your video is unlisted because if your video is selected public, anyone can land on your YouTube channel and they can view your video. Even though your video is unlisted, you can still use this link right here, and you can send this to others to get feedback on your video privately. So continuing on this page, you're going to scroll down, and you're going to go all the way to the bottom, and you're going to select Save. Once you hit Save, the video processing will begin. The video processing could last from several minutes to several hours, just depending on your internet speed and the size of the video that you are trying to process. So just be patient. I promise it will upload. Once your video is uploaded, you're going to click into your video. You're going to select Editor, and then we want to trim and cut. So it's very important to remember that with initial candidates, you cannot cut anything in the middle of your video. So your video needs to be one straight 15-minute video. So you can cut the beginning off or you could cut the end off, but you just cannot cut anything in the middle. So let's just say I wanted to cut the first 30 seconds off of my video. I could either drag this to where it says 30, or I could simply type 30 right here in this little bar. Let's say I wanted to trim the end. I would then again grab this bar here and I would slide it into where I was wanting to trim. So once you've selected your times, you can actually play your video here and make sure that you're happy. If I'm not happy with where that started, I can just take this, slide it back, and it adds a couple more seconds to the beginning of your video. Same with the end. If I'm not happy with how the end sounds, I would just take my bar again all the way to the end, hit play, and if I need a couple more seconds, I would trim this way, or I could take a couple seconds off if I was not happy where it ended. This is the bar you would use here. So once you're finished and you're happy with your changes, you will scroll back up to the top and you're going to hit Save. You're going to select I acknowledge that these changes are permanent, and you are going to hit Confirm Changes. And just like that, you have successfully trimmed your video. And now you're going to compress your video. This is actually the easiest part because YouTube automatically compresses it once it downloads your video. Now that you're finished cutting your segments out of your video, you're going to have to go back to your video list so you can download the video that you just cut. So you're going to click this arrow right here where it says Channel Content, and it's going to take you back to your video list. Once you get back to this list, find the video that you just cut your segments from, and you're going to select the video that you're wanting to download. It's important to know that your video has to be an MP4 format, and it has to be within the range of 200 to 300 megabytes. So if you're using an iPhone, you may have noticed that your video was very large, probably in the 1 to 3 range of gigabytes. That's completely normal. As soon as you hit download, YouTube will compress your video tremendously. So now you're going to hit download and it's going to compress it into MP4 format, and it's also going to be in a smaller version of megabytes. So then you're going to click on this where it's popped up at the top as a download, and it's going to automatically open the downloaded video to your computer. If you right-click on your video and scroll down to Properties, it's going to give you your video's details. It'll confirm that you have downloaded your video as an MP4 file. It'll tell you the size of your video to confirm that it is between 200 and 300 megabytes. And then if you needed to just confirm the length of your video, you could click here on this tab Details. And this right here would tell you the length of your video. So my video, once I compressed it, it turned out to be 21.6 megabytes, which is fine because it is still under the 200 to 300 megabyte range with the national board. And it shows me the time right here that I have is 2 minutes and 10 seconds. And just remember, this was just showing you guys as an example, so my video should have been 15 minutes. And voila, your video is done. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below or reach out to our team at hello@TraceyBryantStuckey.com.